Oh, they repaved Storo Drive. This is very nice. Look at this, guys. It's time to open up the taps a little bit here. But I want to see how the audio sounds at higher speeds. This actually sounds not too bad so far. What am I going, 30? 30. What is this? What time is it? Freaking 11 o'clock. Oh, it's noon. Everyone going to lunch today? What is this bullshit? Some bullshit. I love it. We're heading into little bit of roads. Look at this lady looking at me. Come on. So you're heading into Cambridge right now. You have to check what the name of this bridge is. I forget. I'm sorry. Oh, it's beautiful though. Let it rip. I love this thing. Oh, it's a freaking rocket. Rocket man. Feel like freaking Elton John over here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This ABS is working overtime right now. Good job, ABS. Come on, dingus. Come on, buddy.